Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices. If you have logged in on different devices, you can log out at once. Let's see how to do that. First go to facebook.com. Now from the top right corner, select your profile picture icon. Then go to setting and privacy. Select setting again. Now from the left menu, you will find security and login. Click there. Now you will see where you are logged in option. Select See More to see all of your devices. This is all of my devices where I have logged in. If you want to log out of all our devices, select Log out of all session. Then select Log out again. Now you will see only you are logged in on current devices and all the other devices are logged out. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.